To set always on display, let's go to the settings. Mine is right here. Tap there. Now inside settings, scroll down until you find lock screen. Tap there. And then right here at the top, you will see we have the option to set always on display. You can see here that mine is on and it is set from 9 p.m. to 8 o'clock in the morning next day. If this is your first time, you might have this option off, and to set it on, you just have to tap there and you will set that option on. So let's tap here so we can see the settings related to the always on display. Now here we have all the options related to always on display. You can also right here from the top set the option off if you tap there, or tap again to set the option on. Right below you have three main options: tap to show, show always, show as schedule. Mine is right here on the last option, show as schedule. And as I said before, mine is set from 9 p.m. to 8 o'clock in the morning the next day. So during this time, I have my always on display on and I don't have to unlock my phone to see the time or some notifications. So let me start explaining from the first option. The first option that we have here is tap to show. Tap there. Once you tap there, you select that option. In this case, if your screen is off, you just have to tap to show the notifications. Let me show you. I'm gonna close my screen, lock my phone and close my screen. To show you notification, you just have to tap it one time, like this. And it will show you the time. In this case, mine is set to show just the time. The other option you have below tap to show is show always. If you select this option, every time your screen turns off, your always on display will be on. It will show you the time and any other notification that you select to show it. Let me show you. For example, in this case, if I close and turn off the screen, you will see that automatically the always on display shows up. And in this case for me, it is set to say the time, the day of the week, and the date. The last option you have is show as schedule. Tap there. This is what I currently have on my phone. Right here, you can see that you can set a schedule to show your always on display. If you tap there, you can set the start and you can set the end. Mine, it is set to start at 9 p.m. or 2100 and end at 8 o'clock the next day in the morning. To set the time, you just have to swipe up and down to select the time that you want to set to start, and then tap here on the end. Do the same thing to select the time that you want it to end, and even on this side you can select the minutes. Mine is set to exactly 8 o'clock. If you're okay with that settings, just tap done. In this case, the always on display will start at 9 p.m. and end at 8 o'clock in the morning the next day.